Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by getting the medkit ready and using it immediately when needed. Load at least one medkit into your quick slot and bind it to a single key so you don't fumble. Once engaged in combat, watch your health and activate the medkit under 60% to maximize healing efficiency. This conserves medkits and keeps you in the fight. Make sure to move to cover before using it so you're not interrupted. Quick use and positioning are why this works. You continue by managing medkit timing during the messiest moments. Because the medkit has a use animation, expect a 1.5 to 3 second vulnerability, so always move to hard cover or deploy smoke before starting. Once done, reposition immediately, slide or strafe to make enemies retarget. Also, stagger medkit use with peaks and ability cooldowns so you aren't punished mid-heal. That coordination is the core of keeping you wrap up by confirming the heal and getting back into play smoothly. After the medkit finishes, glance at your health number and re-engage or retreat depending on enemy pressure. If you get interrupted, stop, take immediate cover, and reapply when safe. Sometimes delaying a heal until you can fully secure it wins the encounter. If medkits are scarce, rely on partial regen options when out of combat and save full medkits for decisive fights. That conservation mindset prevents running out.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.